Hey, what's up guys? So on today's videos I'm going to show you on how to create primary key and foreign key for two tables, which are user and school. So now let's start. So first thing, you need to have a user table, which is mine over here already have. And what we need to do is we need to add another attribute inside the table. So we can go to add one and go after the password. You need to add user ID. Okay, so this is user ID. You can go to for and save. Okay, so and then we need to create another table, which is school. So you have ID, auto increment. This one we go for name, address, and user ID. So user ID we go for name we go for voucher, which is 50. Address we go for text, and then we click save. After you have done this, you can simply just go to structure tab. On your school structure tab, click relation, click user ID, database from tutorial insert db, and school. No, user. Okay, so we have ID. So the user from database tutorial insert db will be connected to user table, which is ID. Okay, so we click save. So we can see the query has successfully executed, so which means the connection, the association from two tables are done. Okay, so we can see over here. Another way we can see from here. Okay, user ID, this one. Okay, that's all from me. Thank you for watching. Hope this is useful for you, and don't forget to subscribe and like and hit the bell button. See you next time.